Hello guys, this is Arkneil Gaming and we'll be getting Lolita's Angelic Fan skin. So all you have to do is play every day, do all the tasks, complete this bingo sheet, and if you haven't done a task, you can easily just use a task gift voucher like this. So all you have to do is click that on the task that you want it cleared, then it will be cleared. But the task skip voucher cannot be used for login skip, so you have to log in a certain amount of times to get this skin. So once you have unlocked all of this and cleaned all of this task, just press on claim reward. So this is Lolita's Angelic Fan and it costs nothing. So just get it guys. Thank you for watching. Happy 9th anniversary MLBB. Bye bye.